Just got a package from eBay. I just got off work, so don't mind my attire. I'm a corrections officer, so I was gonna change, but I just couldn't wait, so. Show you what I got. A little backstory on this bag. It's a bag. I've seen this bag on TikTok, and I've seen this bag on YouTube. And I was looking for like a crossbody bag. And I looked and I looked and I really wanted one in good condition. Found one on eBay and the price, I couldn't like turn it down. It was in excellent condition. And if you don't know anything about eBay, anything over $500, they send it to their authenticator to authenticate the bag. So it's worry-free. We need like something better to open this up, but I'm impatient. Oh, sorry about the faces. Anyhow, so things like that. Let's see. So that's okay. eBay stepping up. So eBay puts it in this their own dust bag, and it's actually a nice dust bag. Pretty thick, like okay. All right, so what did I get? I hope the condition is what they said it was. Okay. So this is the Louis Vuitton Dunabe. I think that's I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but it's Dunabe. And it's excellent condition. And they no longer make this bag. I think this bag was from 2005. 2005. So far, I mean, they did good. I mean, it's in great condition. I mean, there's like a little rubbing right there, but that's nothing. I think the main thing I heard with these bags was this right here, but this is actually great. It's in great condition. So and peeling in the pockets, which this one has none. The leather's perfect. And that's the way it was described. Open the bag. Stuff. Just no peeling. Oh my gosh, no, it's perfect. No, it's perfect. Like if you look in here, like it's perfect. You can see it says Louis Vuitton. I'm trying to think where the date code was. I seen it. But now, oh, I see it now. The date code is right there. Like you can barely see it. But it was made in 2005. So far, it's beautiful. Like even the hardware on it, it's beautiful. The zipper, perfect. Oh, I'm so excited. So when you buy from eBay too, they send it to their authenticator, like I said, and then they send you, this comes on your bag. Let's see, it's a authenticity guaranteed. So they authenticated it, so you're going, oh my gosh. Here's your new handbag. Congratulations for your purchase. Okay. Very nice. And if you remove this, you cannot return the bag. So make sure, if you ever buy from eBay, you don't remove that unless you are for sure you want to buy the bag. Okay, so it comes with this. Even this, everything's in like great condition. It's beautiful. And it's on the shortest setting, which I'm short. I'm 5'2". for reference, so that's actually perfect. So I'm going to try to step back. And I will normally wear this crossbody. I'm more of a crossbody person, but you can wear it as a shoulder bag, and it hits right here, so it's actually great. So it's actually great. Like I said, I can take my phone and put it right here, and it'd be perfect. Just go shopping or whatever. And I'm going on a cruise actually in January, and that's one of the main reasons I was looking for this bag. So, but I will normally wear it crossbody, and it hits perfectly. That's perfect. I love this bag. I'm so impressed. Like I said, again, this came from a seller, I'm going to say in Japan. And if you know anything about Japan, it's highly illegal to sell fake bags. Like, they have harsh penalties if you're caught selling a fake bag in Japan. And then doubly, eBay authenticates it. So I'm extremely happy. Like, the condition on this thing, it's beautiful. Like I said, I'm very happy. Thank you for watching. Like I said, I just got off work. I'm extremely exhausted. I work 2 12-hour shifts. So, anytime I can get a deal. Like I said, I'm not rich by no means. Corrections officer, but again, extremely happy about this purchase. If you ever want to go on eBay, do it, because I'm telling you, I'm so impressed. You just really have to search and be patient. But other than that, if you like this, subscribe. Like I said, I will do unboxings. I have several bags that I can do reviews on. Again, I